Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. So let's get into the video. So firstly, what you're going to do, you're going to add your card as a payment method on your Play Store. So to do that, open up your Play Store or App Store and then go to your profile here. So click on your top right on your profile, and then here you'll see payment and subscriptions. Click on it and then now select payment methods here. So click on payment methods. So when you click on payment methods, now what you're going to do, under add payment method, hit on add credit or debit card option. So now you're going to plug in the details of your Visa gift card. So plug in the details of your Visa card and then save this as your payment method. So this is your preferred payment method on Google, on your Play Store. So now all you can do is simply look for your app. So you can just now download your Clash Royale app, and then whatever in-app purchases you make will be processed through your Google Play, which will use your Visa gift card that you just added. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.